children, the Quran says have children. They tell you kill your children in an abortion and contraceptive way, the Quran says no haram. So you got to know what the Quran says and what they say. Out of fear that the world will get overpopulated, and I'm saying this because for all the population that just came in here, for all of you who came late, they have been saying this 70 years ago. As soon as they crossed 2 billion people in the world, they have been saying that. They've been saying that. And Allah have proven to them that today we are 8 billion people crossed on November 15th, and there are more food, more money, more production. The thing is that the management of the government is what is corrupted. So what is Allah saying? If they would use the land and the production, that the water cycle of the clouds and the rain and the land that Allah says has life into it, and they set that system up, then you could take billions of people, because Allah has created this world to accommodate how much He has created it to accommodate. It's not in your hands and my hands to kill the human population. Go check the Bible, the Torah, the Psalms, and the Quran. This is a biblical part. The Orthodox Jews and Christians disagree with scientists and researchers and governments who think like that. Strongly disagree. And we Muslims should be on the same page, because the Quran disagrees even more. Because Islam is all about production and procreation and the human race. Because Allah says, لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ, that Allah has created human beings in the best of form. So Allah has created the best mechanism for the survival of human